Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying out a new brand that you can get exclusively at Target. It's really affordable and they have some of probably the cutest things that you can find at Target right now. I'm on one hand very excited, and then on the other hand I'm a little skeptical about a couple of these things, but I have high hopes, so we're gonna jump right in. First, let me show you, I've got a little bin that has just a little selection of their items. So I tried to get like one of everything so that I could show you guys and just give you my thoughts. So this is the Starlit Studio Angel's Dust Shimmer Palm. So this is the brand Starlit Studio. This was $10. And if you didn't notice, it kind of looks like a Fenty product that they've had before. So we're gonna pop it open. First of all, it is freaking adorable. It's this light dusty pink and the ribbon on top is pink as well. It's kind of squishy. It just feels like a stuffed animal, honestly. So let's see. Oh, I'm seeing some shimmer on my hand. I feel like this is gonna be a hard time trying to show you guys what this really looks like. So I did put some on my hand. Please ignore my cat scratch. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. I don't guess this is supposed to have a scent. It says an ultra plush body palm is bursting with superfine 3D holographic shimmer, a compact way to add luminous glow from head to toe. It says dust wherever desired for the angelic veil of shimmer. And it is really pretty. It's just such a fine little glitter. Okay, the more I go in, I can see it on my hand very well. To me, it looks like more of an iridescent kind of rosy gold. So I'm gonna hope that this will help you guys see that shimmer. So I actually think that this is really cute. So yeah, the Fenty Fairy Balm Glittering Pom Pom is $42, and it looks to be pretty darn similar. I would say that this is probably a dupe if I've ever seen one. So if it were me, I would rather spend $10 on this one. That one probably has a little bit more intense of a glitter or shimmer that comes out, but I don't know. Personally, I don't think I would spend $42 on that, but this guy is really cute, and for 10 bucks, I don't know. I just think it's adorable, and it actually shows up more than I thought it would. So I feel like once you kind of break it in two, I feel like things of this nature typically work better after a little while. So yeah, I'm seeing like a really pretty shimmer. I would have to give this a thumbs up for $10. I think it does what it says it's going to do. So let's dive in and try some of the other products. Next we have the Starlit Studio Kaleidoscope Eyeshadow Quad. I don't know why right before I was going to show it to you guys, I decided to just like dig my finger all around in it. So excuse that, but these are the 4 shades, and this is in the color Visionary. So there are different colors of this. I was tempted to get more than one. Let's just check the formula out, and then if you guys want to pick it up, you can just choose a shade. So the first shade is this kind of like rosy looking one. It's very interesting. It's very like gel consistency is what I would have to say it is. It's coming off pretty much clear, and it has like a gel balm consistency. The glitter in this one is more like lemon lime peachy kind of feel to it. Again, it's gonna be hard to see all of these things. This one looks to be a little bit more opaque. So this is the blue. These look a little bit more like you would use them as toppers because you can see mainly just the glitter there, but they do have a bit of color throughout. Honestly, if you've tried the Wet n Wild little glitter singles that you can get, this feels remarkably close to those. So here is the next one. Interesting. So these 2 shades are showing up pretty much the same color because they both look like they have the same glitter. The only difference being is that the base of this one, you see just a little bit of the consistency of like the gel looking pinkish. Like that's it. But there's hardly a difference you can see on either side of the blue glitter. That's kind of silly to me. And then let's go in with the silver. So here's the silver on my pinky. I know this is looking super messy, so please excuse that. Here you are. I'm not really feeling it, if I'm being 100% honest. I am going to put some on the eyes in a minute to show you guys what it looks like. You could definitely do something cute with this, like the silver, using it as a topper over shadow. I think that would be really cute. The silver one has the best consistency in my opinion, and looks the prettiest on the hand. But on the other hand, I think those Wet n Wild little tiny eyeshadows are like $1. So you could get as many colors as you wanted for $1 a piece. If you wanted to pick up just one shade of a glitter like this, I would go for the Wet n Wild personally. I just don't think this is worth it. And then you can see these are the Color Icon glitters. I've gotten this one before, single bleached, which kind of looks like both of these shades right here. And these again are 99 cents. I don't think you can beat that. So if you're looking for a glitter that's in its own kind of like creamy gel, balmy base to just tap over something, I would go for Wet n Wild personally. They're tried and true, cruelty free, all that good stuff. I feel like this is going to be the exact same thing, just in a single version, but this is the Starlight Studio Cream Shadow Disc. So it is a different name, so I don't know how different the formula is going to be, but let's crack this open. I got the shade Sama. These go for $3. And it's the same thing. So here you go. Here's the glitter. This color is really pretty, and I think to me more interesting than the ones in the palette. I spread that thin right through here. So let's take this one, and I'm just going to tap it on my eye. But at the end of the day, even with the Wet n Wild ones, I tend to have that problem where they want to like crease up and get sticky as you blink, because anytime your lid's gonna meet, it's gonna like grab. I'm gonna let that sit and see how it dries down, if it does at all. Let's grab something that's a little bit more straightforward. This is the Prisma Pout Holographic Lip Gloss, and I got the shade Daybreak, so it looks like this. Okay, let's put some on. It says lip transforming holographic gloss gives you that high beam pout with irresistible shine. It's not that shiny. It's not like a shiny wet look, if that makes any sense. Non-sticky high shine lacquer for long wear. No. This is a non-sticky gloss. Oh, look at that gathering in the crease of my eye already. Oh no. You know what? I'm really, really glad that I decided to do this review for you guys, because I think you need to save your money. We have something a little scary. This is the Face Tattoos in Metallic Tears. So I just took it out of the packaging. Here's what it looks like. So it basically says nothing about what you're supposed to do with this. It says turn heads and transform your look with these easy to use metallic temporary tattoos. Non-toxic and extra eye-catching, create that dazzling festival expression every day. I'm assuming to put this under the eye, you're supposed to just like cut along the lines and place it. So we're gonna try it out. I think this might be cute over another lipstick. So I'm gonna take it off and then we'll try it another way, just to be fair. So I cut this how I would think you should cut it, and we're gonna try it, and I'm gonna put that gloss on too while we're waiting. So I'm just gonna line her up. Oh, it smells like mothballs. Do all temporary tattoos smell like that? Maybe I should have cut it in half. I have no idea. Oh my god, the lashes are part of the tattoo. What the hell? Oh dear god. Okay, I know I peeled it off early, but what the fuck? Okay, let's do this side better. I'm sure that someone can do this better, but there's no directions. Look at me. This is a good look. Granted, I didn't have to go for the face tattoo, but I did. But why are the lashes part of it? Why would you put... I could have been more patient. And maybe cutting it down the middle would have helped, even though it was like a solid spray. Okay, I'll give you that. Somebody's gonna come for me because I'm not taking it seriously, but bruh. If I had more makeup on, okay, and it was actually where it was supposed to be, but I don't understand putting lashes under your eyes. This better fucking come off easily. I think it's gonna work better on bare skin though, so yeah. But I don't understand the lash part, but I'll give you this. If it was just this little sparkly bit under the eyes, just here and here, I think that would be really cute. So maybe that's a thing that they can improve upon. You know what I'm saying? Let's give this gloss another try. So I just put on like this pinky color. That's actually really cute. We're gonna keep this.
So this is the Prismatic Pout.
So this is the Prismatic Pout Holographic Lip Gloss in the shade Daybreak. So I like this. I feel like you could top many colors of liquid lip with this easily and create this little look. I actually think this is really cute. So I give this a thumbs up. This was only a few bucks. So okay, we've gotten 2 things here that I like, okay? We've got one more thing, and I thought this was really cute and super affordable. So this was only $4, and it's the Ink Me tattoo stamp, but it actually is a liner and tattoo stamp. So I think that's really cool. So similar to like the milk stamps that you can get, and those are, I want to say they're maybe $12. They're not insanely expensive. But you know, that is kind of pricey for something like that, unless you're going to wear it all the time, which I think most people would just wear it every now and then. I got the heart one. I just really thought that would be cute, and it is a liner on one end and a heart stamp on the other. That's what she looks like. Let's give it a shot. Okay, cute. So that actually looks really decent. Let's try out this liner though. So that's a pretty big felt tip. Okay, that's a little better. So here you see the liner. It's really black. Look at this stuff. It's creasing so bad, but it is such a creamy jelly consistency that I don't know. So let's try this out. Not bad for $4. I think I like the stamp part of it a little bit better than the liner itself. I think my only complaint about the liner is that the tip's a little bit bigger than what I like, just because it's that like fatter felt tip, but you could definitely get away with it, especially if you are doing a thicker line for the day for whatever reason. I think it would be good, but for $4 it's not bad. You could definitely pick up one of these stamps as a dupe for the milk ones. I do think that the milk ones are a little bit better. They seem to be like really black and opaque when you stamp them on just one time, but for $4 I can't complain. So if I were to say that you should pick up anything, I'd stick with maybe the Shimmer Palm, even though this is kind of like not a need by any means, and there's so many pretty like body sprays that come out with glitter, especially during the summertime, that I don't think this is I don't think it's a big need, but it is cute if you are in the market for something like this, or you wanted the Fenty one but were not willing to spend the $42, then there you go. I actually think that the gloss topping this lip is actually really pretty and really affordable. The glosses are not expensive at all, and then the stamp, of course, for $4 you get liner and a stamp, and the liner is holding up pretty well. Even though it's kind of over this like creamy texture of this glitter, it's still holding up pretty well, and then looks really crisp on the wing. So there you are. I would definitely just not do the tattoo. I don't really get the whole lashes under the eye thing, but you know, to each their own if you like that kind of thing. I do think that they could definitely redo this and just do the glittery bits and do like little under eye patches tattoos. That would be really cute. So that's the little overview of this brand. Let me know what you think. A lot of hits, a lot of misses, but I am glad that I tried it out for you guys, because I don't want you guys going to spend a bunch of money on all this really cute stuff and then you get it home and you're like, what the absolute hell. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. It is time for our dad joke of the day. So if you're not into those, then thank you so much for watching this video, and you can click out right now and save yourself the torture of a dad joke. You ready? I wouldn't buy anything with Velcro. It's a total ripoff. If you stayed through the dad joke, thank you so much for waiting until the end and seeing the entire video. Let me know what your thoughts are below on these products, if you'll be picking up anything, or perhaps you just want to save your money. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.